How to change Mobile Legends loading screen. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to change Mobile Legends loading screen. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and then go to esportsq.com. And in here, you will see a step. So to start, first log into your Mobile Legends account. Also provide additional applications, RARLab. Then open the zarchiver app. After you have prepared and opened zarchiver, also prepare the video that you want to change the loading screen with. Once done, adjust the duration of your video with the duration of the loading screen in the Mobile Legends Bang Bang game. And then rename the video as you wish. Now copy the video that you have prepared. Then go to the initial menu, look for the Android folder on the data menu, look for Mobile Legends data, click and enter the files menu, and select the Dragon 2017 one. Once done, after that, you replace your video that you saved earlier. There will be a replace file notification, then click on Due to all files, then click Replace. I'm narrating this as you are going to be doing it, so you will be guided along the way. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you get some value in this one. And as always, leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, leave a comment as well. And then I'll see you on the next video.